This manifesto, unlike other architectural texts written with the purpose of drawing attention via provocative keywords that are attached to the eye-catching visuals on a poster, is an open article that calls upon all readers to think and create on the architecture of the future, by creating a broad perspective on the main disciplines that form the basis of architecture. It is an open call to be constructed on, or to be deconstructed. Because of the ever-changing paradigm of philosophy, technology, and architecture, it is evident that no architectural text, including this one, cannot be the unchangeable doctrine that solely seeks the truth anymore. However, even if an absolute truth may not be reached at all, searching for the truth should not be seen as futile. Also, even architects today had stopped questioning and shown the white flag. It should not mean that the day they will burn that flag won't come. On the contrary, knowing from an integrated historical perspective that architects will never stop being creative in every geography and every period, it is an enough driving force to be productive. It was hoped that when the predicted radical changes turn up not only for architecture, but also for many disciplines in the near future, architecture discipline which stands hardly today even at created works throughout history that are standing strong, will be powerful enough to stand still. However, this wish should never be perceived as a romantic narrative that advocates good old days of architecture, when future projections reveal that disciplines will dissolve within each other, people and machines will become integrated to become cybernetic organisms, and technological singularity will be inevitable. On the contrary, this article is a text that defends the endless transformation of disciplines, fragmentation of architecture to being turned into specialities, and creation of designers who will search for their truth to be juxtaposed with the reality of the future. Although the process is complicated and painful, it should be noted that the possible exit paths from the tunnel can never be seen, as long as the eyes remain closed. Even if the light at the end of the tunnel is coming either from the sun or from a train that will sweep us, the designers must open their sleepy eyes. Because the designers have nothing to lose but their restless sleep.